Hello tech lovers, today's video is on about Wise X Mini Drone V-14. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Nowadays, we need drones for various reasons. Drones are becoming a part of our life. Whether we like adventure, or we are a filmmaker, or we are busy people and nature lover at the same time, drones is a gadget everyone needs. They have become inseparable from our life. Drones are becoming advanced day by day, and the more they are advanced, there has been a rise in these quadcopters and other types of drones. Among the budget and good quality drones, Wise X Mini cuts a special place. It has lots of impressive features, and they are necessary for different reasons. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is about 26 centimeters in length and 26 centimeters in width, 10 centimeters in height. It has got one unique and common design. There are two barrier types of things that can protect the camera or drone from crashing from down parts. Those barriers can be also used as a stand. The drone can stand on these barriers. It has a new design concept, and this drone is equipped with current many advanced technologies of drones. Its design has made it effective and a performance monster in short. It has made a strong debut with its high-definition cameras. The artifact people want is present in this. The 6K image reconstruction flight imagination will take you to another height. You will get nothing but blockbuster clips. The 6K high-definition pixels will help to create your own masterpiece. With high-definition video ability and high dynamic range, you'll be able to freeze the beautiful moments. Its 6K front high-definition lens also provides 120-degree wide angle. The bottom 1080 picofarads lens can also switch the viewing angle. With the dual perspective, it will give you the ability to discover more. As a battery design, modular design is a very popular and necessary design for drones. Modular design makes installing process of drones very easy. The changing process of the battery becomes easy. It opens up a door to charge a battery up, then uninstall the installed one and set the charged one more fun. This mini drone has a 3.7 volts 1600 mAh modular battery that can provide about 20 minutes of flight time. Its battery takes about 60 to 70 minutes to be fully charged. Now it is time to discuss various functions of Wise X Mini Drone V-14. Smart hovering is an important feature for stability. It helps keep the drone stable and provides stable and quality clips. They provide smooth clips, and they also help a flyer to have a relaxing flight. Wise X Mini has smart hover that provides good control. Even novices can get started and have awesome flying experience. Whether flying indoors or outdoors, everyone can stay humble at all times, and almost anyone can fly. The ability to beautify photos and add filters provides the drone to have high-definition video, high dynamic range photos, and clearly freeze the beautiful moments. And the processes of having beauty shooting and adding filters are also easy processes. One-click control features are easy and necessary features of drones. They are very important to make flying a drone easy and effective. Its one-click system will allow you easily achieve takeoff, landing, return, etc. They will provide you easy flight. This is good controllable device. It has image transmission feature, and you will be able to see what's happening in far away. It will let you see the footage where your drone is present and he is watching. It will let you watch and enjoy wonderful picture in the distance. You can watch the clips and views through your mobile phone. The gesture photo feature can be considered one of the favorite features of photo enthusiasts. It is also liked by the people who loves adventure and click photos through their journey. It makes clicking photos easy. You won't have to click any buttons repeatedly to click photos. It is a shortcut and an effective way to click pictures without any hassle. You can wave to take photos or videos. While waving your hand, you can realize taking photos or videos. Aim at the drone camera while flying, and the corresponding gestures can be used to take pictures. Zooming is an interesting and needed feature for photographers. It provides a closer view of objects. It also provides details and beauty of objects. The more one specific device can zoom, the more it is considered as a camera device. The more zooming ability one device has, the closer view you can get. Wyze X Mini has 50x zoom for easy and free framing. 1 to 50 times free zoom can be achieved through the app, so without fear of high-altitude vision. The trajectory finger or waypoint flying feature is like a blessing to the flyers. It makes flying a drone a piece of cake. Wyze X Mini also has a waypoint flight or trajectory fingering feature. Draw a track on the app and enjoy automatic flight instantly. When you will draw the trajectory on the app, the drone will follow it and fly according to the drawn trajectory. Night lights are necessary for people who love to fly their drones at nighttime too. For the night owls, or those people who love to collect nighttime clips of the environment, its night light helps enjoy barrier-free travel at night. Both the front and bottom of the drone are configured with bright LED lights, and they will let you fly at night unimpededly. Now, it's time to talk about some pros and cons. Good quality night lights. About 20 minutes of flight time. Unique design. The one-click features are great. 120-degree wide angle and high-definition cameras. The camera quality could be better according to 6K camera. Portability could be improved. Is it a good drone? Is it worth buying? Why not? It has a great flight time and some one-click features at a budget price. There are night lights for night lovers. Design and build quality are great and unique from some angles. Multiple service-servable devices and beginners are welcome to fly them. A great device for the pro flyers too. It is a device that deserves a try, so you can always give it a try and make your money worth it. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.